Welcome to another Tech Tips from That Tech Guy. And today I'm going to show you how to connect your AverVision F50HD with your PC. This pops out if you haven't seen that before. And there's a little switch on the side. We're going to switch that to RGB. There's another switch on this one, and we're going to make sure that switch is on PC. We're going to need two cables. One of them is the mini USB, and it'll plug into here. The other end, of course, will plug into your PC. And the second cable is your power cable. The other end, of course, goes into your power outlet. We're going to power it on, and I'm not going to speed up this process so you know how long it actually takes to power on. And you will hear the motor running in the camera during this process. You will see a blue light on both the power and camera PC. Make sure there's also a blue light by output and a little blue light by PC. Now we're going to click on File Explorer, Staff Apps, Document Camera Software, AverVision, and select the installer. We'll click Run. Next. I accept. Next. 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 Install. That popped up behind that window, but next. Now this install does take a bit, but you should see the Sphere 2 software pop up on your desktop, and it'll be finished any second. And once you do that, you're done. Thanks for watching.